So starting in a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down. I will take the feet nice and wide. I'm going to place the left hand on the thigh, right arm up, and inhale. Exhale, slide the left hand down the leg, keep the body facing forwards. And again, inhale, exhale to the left, sliding that hand down the leg, and coming back to the middle. One more, inhale, and exhale. Remember, only going as far as feels comfortable. And then swap to the other side. Inhale, exhale over. Coming back to center. Inhale and exhale. Back to center. One more. Inhale and exhale over. And come back to center. Now keep arms shoulder level and we'll twist. So exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. One more each side. Exhale. Inhale, center. And exhale. Inhale back. We'll bring the arms down. And we'll roll the shoulders back. So feet back to hip width. And then the other way. And relax the shoulders and we'll work on the wrists. So turn the left palm forward and then bring the fingertips pointing down. So bring the fingertips up, pull them back. Fingertips pointing down, pull towards. The other side. So right fingertips reaching up, pull them back. And then reaching down. And one more up. And down. And loosely interlace the fingers and kind of make a figure of 8 with the hands. And then go the other way. And take the left arm in front with the palm facing away. Right arm over, interlace the fingers. Now bring the hands down, bend the elbows, and if you can, bring the arms through. Remember, do not push this. I'm coming through if you can, or wherever you get to. So one more. Come through, and then swap the arms over. So we bend the elbows, bring the hands down, slowly through, just checking how that feels. It should not hurt. You find a deep stretch in the hands and the wrists and the forearms, but nothing painful. And come back through if you can. And then just shake the wrists out. Now come back to that wide stance, and we're going to do triangle pose. So turn the left foot 90 degrees. Back foot slightly angled, so the front leg stays straight. Body facing forwards. And inhale, exhale, reach to the left. Left arm comes down, right arm up. So nice and easy to start with. Come back to the middle. Inhale, exhale a little bit further if it feels okay. And back to center. So one more this side, so inhale. Exhale, reach as far as we can. Bring the hand down, and the other one straight up. And if it feels okay, look up to the hand. Remember to keep breathing. If you're holding on to the breath, you're trying too hard. And coming on up, bring the arms down. Swap the feet around. And that right foot is at 90 degrees. The back foot slightly angled. arms shoulder level, so easy first one. So inhale, exhale to the side, right arm down, left arm up. And coming back. Inhale, exhale a little further. And the body facing forwards, using those core muscles. Back to center. Last one. Inhale and exhale, reach. The left arm down, right arm straight up. Try to keep them in line if we can, or wherever your shoulders allow. And looking up to the hand. And coming up. Bring the arms down. So we're going to bring the legs together and we'll work on tree pose. So standing on the right leg, then we're bringing the left foot either to the ankle, the calf, or the inner thigh, but not resting on the knee joint. So bring the hands to the chest if you can, and then maybe even lengthen the arms up towards the sky. And just wherever you get to, you're working on your tree pose. And bring the arms down, or do the other side. Weight on that left leg. So bring that right foot to the ankle, the calf, or the inner thigh. If you can, hands to the chest, and then lengthen up through the arms. And the belly button squeezed in. Try and focus on the breathing. Let the body relax. Bring the feet back to hip width and finish with a good posture and the breathing. So crown up towards the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. And just see if you can feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. And just notice if the breathing slows down. And bring the arms down, and we're all done.